p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:45 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located over Auburn or 16 miles southwest of Topeka. This is a tornado emergency for southwestern Shawnee County until 4:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Hazards: a destructive tornado and quarter-sized hail. Source: trained weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris can be deadly to those caught without shelter. To repeat, a large and a potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To report damage, call 785-267-6788.
Shelter-in-place warning has been declared for Shawnee and Jefferson counties. The following message is from the Topeka Police Department and the conjunction of the National Weather Service has issued a shelter-in-place warning for Shawnee and Jefferson County. Multiple supercells is suspected later tonight and right now an active supercell that has produced a long-track tornado heading to the metropolitan area of Topeka. Anyone in the counties of Jefferson and Shawnee counties are urged to take cover in an underground shelter immediately. Multiple reports came in about above shelters has been swept away or ripped up from the ground. Reports about homes obliterated and mobile homes gone. Even though Jefferson County is not in the path yet, you have directly an hour to prepare for this tornado.